So you're wondering, where are we? We are actually at Alice Holt Forest in the UK, and it's one of these adventure places or activity places. It's really good. We're going to go around the trail and see if we can find as many Gruffalo animals, dragons, squirrels. I'm sure Zach is going to point them all out to me. So let's get our lids on, our helmets on, and get going. Well, I'm waiting for Zach. He should be here any minute. Just waiting on Mum bringing him over in the car. I'll tell you a little bit about this. So this is the iScooter. I was kindly sent, the iX6. Now, this has 1,000 watt battery power in it, which is chargeable if I come round from your mains. So it comes with the transformer lead, so you just literally plug in there. And that has, this is incredible, that has a range of up to 30 miles. So from here, I actually think, yeah, I could probably pretty much hit the coastline from up in Hampshire. Top speed, if you want to do that, is 30 miles an hour. Now, what I do like on this scooter is you can limit it. If I come round, it gives you the options so that when Zach and I go out on this, I can actually put this, it has 3 settings, and number 1 setting is something like 5 kilometers an hour. So he actually can drive it with me as well, but there's the throttle, and the last thing I need is taking off. But that will maximum speed of 5 miles an hour, which I really do like, and you just can't go any faster than that. It folds down to nothing as tyres. Now, they're 11-inch wheels on this, and the tyres, as you can see, chunky things. So it's perfect. It's really geared for the all-terrain, although it can obviously be used on the road. And in fact, I came in on the tarmac there, which is fine. Very good brakes on this. So it has all-round disc brakes, full suspension front and back as shown. So it can be used, yeah, on the road as well. Right, so for turning on, it's keyless, as you see how to start it. Now, just pop the lights on. The usual controls here. Just go through. So horn, don't need to, but you're not going to miss that in a look. Few controls. So this is for me plus and minus, so I can adjust the speed, the maximum speed, should I say. Now it comes with, can you believe this? But actually, if I come to the back, it's even got indicators. And it even comes with cruise control, but I don't think we'll be using that. But I guess if you're bombing along the promenade, somewhere like that on the seafront, you might be lazy, just put it in cruise control and just literally enjoy the scenery. Where's the mouse?
Oh, sorry.
So, what do I think of it? That is fun. That's a lot of fun, actually. Oh, looks like I've lost the fun. Zach's back on board.
Slow fun.
And as I said, I can just reduce the speed now back to number 1, and it'll only go 5 miles an hour. But a lot of fun, isn't it, Zach?
Yes!
In that case, we'll carry on around the trail.
Fun!
Right, first stop. Where are we, Zach?
Alice Holt.
We are at Alice Holt. What is that?
A mouse.
Oh, is that a friend? Is that Gruffalo's? Is it Gruffalo's friend or not?
Yes.
Okay, so where's the next one? Where are we going next?
To the little park.
And what's down there? Gruffalo or dragon?
Gruffalo's child.
Okay, let's get going.
Yeah.
What have we found?
Gruffalo's child.
Oh, that's not Gruffalo then.
Gruffalo's child.
That's Gruffalo's child.
Yeah.
Well, in that case then, hop on board. Let's go and find the Gruffalo.
This is the big Gruffalo.
Is it?
Yeah.
Cool, he's big, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's like Bigfoot, but bigger. Right, let's go and find some more. So they tell me this will go at 35% hills, which is pretty incredible. We're just about to almost, I think it's pretty close to that. Well, we're going to go up now, Zach and I, to the top. So, proof's in the pudding. I'll meet you up there. The scooter made it up the hill. I didn't think it would do that, actually. That was steep. And, yeah, so that 1,000-watt motor is, or power is worth having. Well, that is definitely fun. Really is. Even off-road and on-road is quick. I was surprised how fast it was, actually. But what was really impressive is suspension on here. I mean, I'm not a big guy, I don't weigh a lot, but it really takes the shock out of when you're off-roading. So, oh.
What do you think, Zach?
Yes.
I want to see more down there.
You want to go again, don't you?
Yeah.
Shall we go and buy a Christmas tree first?
We can chuck that on the back of the scooter, couldn't we?
Come on then.